Let me introduce you to Australia's most disproportionately powerful predator, the tiger quoll. Now, I know it looks cute, but don't be fooled. This spotted marsupial would be the equivalent of someone taking a house cat, pumped it full of espresso shots, and then gave it a bite force that could make a pit bull blush. Seriously, pound for pound, only one mammal bites harder than this cute fluffball, and it's the Tasmanian devil. Now, what's crazy to think about is the fact that tiger quolls weigh about as much as a bag of sugar, but can bite with a force of 153 newtons. That's like a chihuahua chomping down with the force of a garage door slamming shut.